Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two amazing air fryer ovens, the Cosori Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo and the Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL. We will be evaluating these products in different categories to help you make an informed decision. But before we start, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Now let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the Cosori Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo offers a 26-quart, 25-liter capacity, which can fit up to 6 slices of bread, a 12-inch pizza, or a 5-pound whole chicken. On the other hand, the Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL provides a 5.5 quarts, non-stick basket and crisper plate, allowing you to cook up to 3 pounds of French fries or wings with ease. Both products offer ample space, but the Cosori oven takes the lead in terms of capacity. In terms of versatility, the Cosori Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo offers more than 12 functions, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, and toast. It gives you the flexibility to explore various cooking possibilities and save time with your preferred time and temperature settings. On the other hand, the Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL provides 5 versatile cooking programs, including air fry, air roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Both products offer a range of options, but the Cosori oven offers more functions overall. When it comes to cooking performance, both products deliver exceptional results. The Cosori Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo is equipped with 6 heat elements, a 2-speed fan, and temperatures up to 450 degrees F, allowing for up to 30% faster cooking than a traditional convection oven. The Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL, on the other hand, provides a wide temperature range of 105 degrees F to 400 degrees F, enabling you to gently remove moisture from foods or quickly cook and crisp foods with convection heat. It's a close competition in terms of cooking performance. If you're looking for smart connectivity, the Cosori Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo takes the lead. With the VSync app, you can control the oven using your smartphone, allowing you to make meals at the touch of a button. Additionally, it is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, giving you hands-free control of your toast oven. On the other hand, the Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL does not offer smart connectivity. If you value smart control options, the Cosori oven is the way to go. When it comes to cleaning, both products offer convenience. The Cosori Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo features an external removable crumb tray, preventing the backflow of soup and making it easy to clean. The non-stick food tray is also hassle-free to clean. Similarly, the Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL has a non-stick basket and crisper plate that are both dishwasher-safe and easy to clean. You won't have to worry about scrubbing for hours with either of these products. And there you have it. We've compared these two fantastic air fryer ovens, the Cosori Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo and the Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL. Depending on your needs, both products have their unique strengths. If you prioritize capacity and smart connectivity, the Cosori oven might be the right choice for you. On the other hand, if versatility and easy cleaning are your top priorities, the Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL won't disappoint. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. See you next time.